Hello viewers, welcome back to WinTrader. In this today's live video, I am going to show you the crude oil strategy. How our software WinTrader support in crude oil trading. This is a live market, and you can see the current market value is showing here 7,532. So before going to this video, I want to tell you that if you are genuinely interested in our software WinTrader, and if you want to know more about our product WinTrader, or if you want to check the live demo, you can directly contact me. My name is Ganga, and you can call or WhatsApp me even Saturday and Sunday also. My number is 9061973737, and you can directly send a message. You can see in this below this video description box. In this description box, my WhatsApp link is there. You just click there, and you can directly come to my WhatsApp chat. And this is a live market, and you can the price is 7,532, that is showing here, and currently the buy signal is going on, and this green up arrow, that is the buy signal, and red one is a sell signal. So whenever software gives a signal, now first you have to check the confirmation of the signal. We don't need to take all the signals. So say we are using this technical software for reduce the risk. So if it is signal now, if software gives signal now, we have to check whether the signal is a confirmed signal or not. For checking the confirmation, we have only two simple parameters are there. We have to check those confirmation parameters. If it is confirmed, then we can take the position. If it is confirmed signal, definitely you will get 80 to 90% accuracy on the same signal. So I will show you how to check the confirmation. First, you have to wait for the signal to come, the arrow to come. After that, you have to check the confirmation. If it is confirmed, then you can directly take the signal position in your trading platform. Whatever trading platform you are using now, you can trade in your trading platform. So if it is buy signal, the first and main confirmation it will show here like price in buy zone. That is the first confirmation, and second confirmation below the arrow, you can see there is a bar is there. That is our confirmation bar. The bar should be in the same color of the signal. If it is buy signal, it should be in green color. If it is not, for example, in some rare cases that if it is not confirmed at that level at that time, you can wait for what if it is gives confirmation after 3 or 4 candles, there is no problem. You can directly enter with the market trade. So in this case, you can see we got a signal here, but that time that below bar was not confirmed. So we can wait. So we get the confirmation around this candle. So there is no problem. We can enter with that level. So after it is confirmed, yeah, if it is confirmed, and then if it is giving confirmation after 3 or 4 candles, then there is no problem. We can directly enter with the market rate. So we can enter with this candle, and after that market went up. So already hit the 3 targets. So if it is confirmed signal, definitely you will get 80 to 90% accuracy on the signal. And same strategy, this is a very simple strategy, and this is same strategy you can apply for all segment. Not only in MCX, our software support all major financial market, like it covers all financial market like MCX, Indian and international commodities, and in NSE cash future options are there, and Indian foreign currencies, and agriculture. It support all major financial market and support all type of trading. All type of trading means it's support swing trading, intraday trading, and scalping. And it's very simple to follow, and there is no prediction. It's working with the real time data. As I told, this is software gives signal just to check the confirmation. If it is confirmed, then you can directly take the position in your trading platform. And you can see these red stars are here now. That is a resistance level of the market. You can see it's break the resistance level and it's going up. And you can see this blue stars, that is a support level of the market. If a software gives a full feature is there, whenever software gives a signal, the alert will come. There is an alert message will come with the sound effect, and you can see one below the target. If software gives a signal now, one below you can see the stop loss and target will come. There are 3 levels of 3 targets are there, and stop loss is trailing stop loss to reduce the risk. And if the market is continuing with the same trend after hitting our target, then software gives a re-entry option. So re-entry means software gives a new entry point and new target. So if you want, then you can re-enter with that level. Currently you can see is market is we are in profit of 65 points, and you can see all target has been achieved. And if it continue with the buy trend, so there is a chance software may be software gives a re-entry option. Currently is re-entry suggestion showing wait only. If the software gives a re-entry suggestion, then in this place software gives there is an entry point will come, and the exit level that target will come. And the stop loss you can say follow the same stop loss, because that's a trailing stop loss. And and this is all real time live market, and there is a sideways indication also software is a normal candle. You can see in the chart the normal candle colors are red and green. So there is some, you can see there is some different colors are there, like orange colors, light blue, MB candle and white candles are, these are the indication of sideways. If the market is going sideways, then software is a real, that is sideways indication. It will change the colors of that candle, so it's giving an indication that market is going sideways. So, and it's very simple software, and there is no it's working with the real time. There is no delay in the data. It's real time, tick by tick data, and this is a real time market. And as I told, if you are interested, genuinely interested in our software, you can directly give me a call or you can message me. I will show you a real time live market demo, and I will explain the details of these features of the software. And thank you for watching my video.